Hello everyone, welcome to solve this algebra math Olympiad question, which is AB is equal to 10, BC is equal to 20 and CA is equal to 30. Then we need to find the value of A plus B plus C. So let this be 1, this be 2 and this be third. So first we are going to do is multiply 1, 2 and 3. So we get AB times BC times CA equals 10 times 20 times 30, or this A square times B square and C square is equal to 10 can be written as 2 times 5, 20 can be written as 2 times 10, or 10 can be written as again 2 times 5, 30 can be written as 2 times 15 and 15 can be written as 3 times 5. So we get A square, B square, C square is equal to taking this common power of 2, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2 raised to the power 4, 5 is 1, 2 and 3, 5 raised to the power 3, and times our 3 is 3 raised to the power 1. So this become ABC का whole square equals 2, 5, 2 raised to the power 2 and 5 का whole square times 5 times 3. 2 raised to the power 4 is same as 2 raised to the power 2 and whole over 2, and 5 raised to the power 3 is 5 raised to the power 2 plus 5 raised to the power 1. So now taking a square root both sides, we get ABC is equal to 2 raised to the power 2, 5 outside and 5 times 3 under root. So it gives ABC is equal to 20 root 15. So this is going to be our equation number 4. Now we are given that AB is equal to 10. So from this, when we put this in our 4, we get 10C is equal to 20 root 15, or dividing both sides by 10, we get C is equal to 2 root 15. Now we are given BC is equal to 20. So putting the value of 2 in 4, we get A times 20 is equal to 20 root 15, or dividing both sides by 20, we get A is equal to root 15. This 20 over 20 cancel out and this 20 over 20 cancel out. Now we are given CA is equal to 30. So putting this in putting the equation 3 in equation 4, so it become given ABC is equal to 20 root 15. So when we put this in here, we get B times 30 is equal to 20 root of 15, and dividing both sides by 30, we get B is equal to this 30 over 30 cancel out, 0 0 cancel out, so 2 by 3 root 15. So now we have got the value of A, B and C. Our value of C is 2 root 15 and A is root 15. So A is equal to root 15, B is equal to 2 over 3 root 15, and c is equal to root 2 root 15, as you can see here. So adding a plus b plus c, we get root 15 plus 2 over 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15, or taking root 15 common, we get 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 2, or a b c, a plus b plus c equals root 15 times, taking LCM, we get 3 plus 2 plus 6 over 3, which gives a plus b plus c is equal to 3 to 5 6 11 over 3 root 15, and this is our required answer.